number one prototype, Charles Devoir. He's also a light aircraft man and owns a couple of high-five clubs in France. Again, because of the fantastic wing that we have on this aeroplane and the slow speed of approach, it doesn't really need that much runway to stop. We've only got two reverses on the inboard two engines, and he's going to bring the aeroplane to a stop well before the exit for Air Rochelle Square. So ladies and gentlemen, here she is. She'll be open to the public this afternoon for visits, so do come and visit us. The Airbus A380.
Yes, thank you, Test Pilot Mike Chapman. Do appreciate that narration. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a little correction. The Airbus A380 will be open to the public tomorrow, all day, but not today.